xi tapit li tkunu tistgħu tużaw id-dar stess. Mela ħanoqogħdu darna mal-mett, ħajkonna saqajna slightly bent, ħaninżlu, importanti hawnhekk li darna ma jkonniex il-vojt. Allura rridu nafsu żaqna u l-patata wkoll. Tajjeb, idejna ma' rasna, we are going to lift slightly up and then down. All right? Ready? 3, 2, 1, lift up and slowly down. Make sure you lift, pause and control the way down. Importanti li l-breathing ukoll, breathe in and exhale when you lift so that it will help you. Last few seconds. 3, 2, 1. Min hawnhekk ħanamlu triangle wara darna, taħtna, legs straight. We're going to slowly bring them down and then exhale and lift. L-istess ħaġa żaqna dejjem mafusa l-ġewwa ħalli darna jkun ċatt mal-art. Min iħossa tqila ħafna b'saqajna dritti, you can slightly bend the knees, lower down and up. Very good, last few seconds. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ħanitilgħu bil-mod. Seated position. Idejna ħanżommu il-weights hekk minn barra. We're going to lift our shoulders and we're going to twist. If it's too easy, you can lift your legs up and twist. Make sure to rotate, squeezing your tummy in, side and side. Last few seconds. Three, 2, 1. Drop the weight on the side. We are going to turn round facing the mat. Min hawnhekk ħammorru plank position, elbows on the mat, and we're going to hold here. Importanti saqajna dejjem ikunu sodi. Breathe. Bum is facing down and hold here. Last few seconds. Last 3, 2, 1. Relax. Amorru malajra l-stretching. We're going to go back. Stretch down. Breathe in. And exhale. Come up slowly. We're going to lift one arm back. Other side. From here, we are going to stretch forward, bringing our hips front and look up. Twist to one side and then the other. Grazzi ħafna u narawkom darb'oħra.